So when you're in an accident, the last thing you're thinking about is taking pictures or gathering information from other people. One of the things that at the office that I do is I will look for cameras. Like in the city of St. Louis, you have the police cameras that sometimes capture accidents. I look for the police report to see if there were any witnesses that came forward or spoke to the police officers. I ask you for pictures of the damages to your property and the other person's property. I ask for insurance cards, any information that you can get me that can lead me to making your case as solid as possible. So pictures of your car. I need the pictures of your car because we can see where the impact was, how much damage came to your car, and we can kind of make an idea of what happened sometimes. Witnesses, there's a lot of people that when people get in an accident, you'll have people that come and check to make sure that you're okay. If that person witnessed the accident, if you call someone to come pick you up from the incident, have them write down their phone number for you or have them put them in your phone. Why? Because they're the best witness that we have, that they say, well, I saw so-and-so rear end so-and-so. And that kind of help us build your case. We need to get insurance information. Sometimes people say that they have insurance, and sometimes people say they don't have insurance. So we need to make sure that you take a picture of that insurance card, because what that does, I have a policy number, a name. I'll call that insurance company and I'll tell them, well, John Smith said he had XYZ insurance, so this is a policy number I have. I'm starting a claim on them. That will help me say, okay, this person said they had insurance or they have insurance through someone else, and they can help me build your case, and we can see where we can get your property damage fixed, and we can also pursue them for your bills that you're going to incur. The other things that I need from you is the police report. The police report number is important because not only am I getting the police report, but I'm also getting 911 calls. We get 911 calls so we know who called, because when you're calling 911, sometimes you'll say, I was just in an accident, I hit this person in front of me. Having that on a recorded line is good for your case as well. So we want to make sure that we have that information. So please, photos, people that witnessed the accident, if possible, police report numbers, and insurance cards are an important thing that we need to help your case.